Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will learn how to calculate different level of stocks relating to two products given in one question. Let us read the question. For the manufacturing of certain production of two components A and B are used. The following particulars about these components are available. Normal usage per week in case of A 60 numbers, that is 60 units, B 60 units. Maximum per week in case of A 80 units, B 80 units. Minimum usage per week 30 units, 30 units. Reorder quantity 400 numbers, 600 numbers, that is 400 quantity, 600 quantity. Reorder period 4 to 6 weeks. In case of B it is 2 to 4 weeks. You are required to calculate for each component reordering level, minimum level, maximum level and average stock level. Let us first calculate average reorder period. In case of product A, it is reorder period is 4 to 6 weeks. So in case of product A, it is 5 weeks. In case of product B, it is 2 to 4 weeks. So in case of product B, average reorder period is 3 weeks. Next we'll find out reordering level. Formula is maximum consumption multiplied by maximum reorder period. In case of product A, maximum consumption is 80 units and maximum reorder period is 6 weeks. So it will be 480 units. In case of product B, maximum consumption is 80 units and maximum reorder period is 4 weeks. So in case of product B, reordering level is 320 units. Next we are required to calculate minimum level. Minimum level can be calculated reorder level minus normal consumption multiplied by average reorder period. In case of product A, normal consumption is 60 units. Reorder level we have calculated. In case of product A, reorder level is 480 units. Normal consumption 60 units. Average reorder period 5 weeks. 480 minus 60 multiplied by 5, it will be 300. So in case of product A, minimum level is 180 units. Now product B. In case of product B, reorder level is 320 units. In case of product B, normal consumption is 60 units. Average reorder period in case of product B 3 weeks. So 320 minus 180, that is 140 units. Next, we are required to calculate maximum level. Maximum level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus into bracket minimum consumption multiplied by minimum reorder period. In case of product A, reorder level is 480 units. Reorder quantity in case of A, 400 units minus minimum consumption 30 units. Minimum reorder period 4 weeks. So in case of product A, 760 units will be maximum level. In case of product B, reorder level is 320 units. Reorder quantity 600 units. Minimum consumption 30 units. Minimum reorder period 2 weeks. 820 units minus 60, 920 units minus 60, it will be 860 units. Next, average stock level. Minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. In case of product A, maximum level is 760 units. In case of A, minimum level is 180 units. So in case of product A, average stock level is 470 units. In case of product B, minimum level is 140 units. Maximum level is 860 units. So in case of product B, average stock level is 500 units. This is how in case of two products we have calculated different levels of stock. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.